Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you're looking to expand your e-commerce business, or maybe you just want to manage several online shops under one convenient Shopify account, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to easily create multiple Shopify stores on one account, right here in 2025. By the end of this guide, you'll be confident in setting up as many stores as your business needs, all without any confusion or technical headaches. All right, let's dive in. First things first, open up your Shopify dashboard. At the top right corner of the page, you'll see your account name. Go ahead and click on that. This menu is sort of the gateway to all your Shopify management tools. Once you click your name, look for an option that says All Stores. Click on this and you'll see a list of all the stores currently attached to your account. If you're starting out, maybe you only have one store listed here. But if you've played around before, you might see a few. Either way, this method works no matter how many stores you've got. Now, to create a brand new store, look for the button labeled Create Another Store. It's usually pretty prominent, so you shouldn't have trouble finding it. Click that and you'll begin the familiar Shopify store creation process. This takes you through some key steps just like when you made your very first Shopify store, but the great news is it's pretty streamlined. The first thing you'll see is a section about billing. If you want to just test the waters, maybe you're setting up a demo store or experimenting with ideas, you can skip the billing at this point and essentially start a free version of your store. Shopify allows you to set things up without entering payment details right away, which is perfect for planning ahead, trying different niches, or setting up a quick prototype for a client. Don't worry if you see prompts about plans and payments. You're not committing to anything until you actually decide to launch your store publicly. Next up, Shopify will run you through a short Q&A that's designed to customize your store setup. You'll be asked basic questions about what kind of business you're starting and what your goals are, but for this demo, you can simply click Skip Customize Setup. This lets you get straight to the meat of things so you can focus on building your store, uploading products, and designing your storefront without having to answer every single question right away. If you ever want to go back and customize those settings, no worries at all. Shopify makes it easy to adjust your store's setup anytime you need. And that's it, just like that, you've created another Shopify store on your account. You'll be dropped into the dashboard for your new store, where you can begin adding products, choosing themes, and setting up your marketing. If you want to add even more stores, just repeat the process. Head back to All Stores and click Create Another Store again. It's really that simple, so you're free to set up different brands, product lines, or regional shops all under one account. If any part of this feels new or a bit overwhelming, don't worry, you're building valuable management skills here, and Shopify's interface is designed to help business owners like you scale efficiently. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, leave any questions in the comments below, and consider subscribing for more straightforward Shopify tutorials and business tips. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.